Alright, so you need to attest your Sri Lankan Police Clearance Certificate, your PCC, for Slovakia. Let me walk you through the exact steps, so you don't waste time or face surprises. Step 1. Get your original PCC from the Sri Lanka Police Department. You can apply online or visit them in person. Make sure your certificate is recent and has all the right stamps and signatures. Next, take your PCC to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Colombo. This is where they'll officially attest your document, confirming its authenticity for use abroad. Once you have the MOFA stamp, your journey shifts to New Delhi. Here's where it gets a bit more international. Head over to the Sri Lankan Embassy in New Delhi and submit your MOFA-attested PCC. The embassy will verify and add their attestation. Not done yet. After that, your document heads to the Slovak Embassy, also in New Delhi, for the final round of attestation. This last stamp is what makes your PCC legally recognized in Slovakia. Now, if the Slovak authorities ask for your PCC in their language, you'll need a certified translation. Use a sworn Slovak translator and make sure the translation is certified or notarized. Quick recap on documents. You'll need the original PCC, a passport copy, and the MOFA-attested certificate. Follow these steps, and you'll save yourself headaches and delays. Stay organized and double-check requirements, since embassies can update procedures anytime. Good luck with your move to Slovakia. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.